Do you struggle with mathematics? Do numbers, equations, and formulas feel like an alien language? Don't worry, you're not alone. Mathematics can be a daunting subject for many, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine a world where math problems are no longer a source of stress, but instead a source of fun and accomplishment. A world where you can easily decipher numbers, solve equations, and understand complex theories. This world can be your reality if you apply some simple, manageable steps to improve your mathematics skills. Firstly, change your mindset about mathematics. See it as a tool for solving problems, not as a problem in itself. Understand that it's okay to make mistakes. Each mistake is an opportunity for learning. It's not about getting the answer right away. It's about understanding the process. Next, practice regularly. Mathematics is not a spectator sport. You need to dive in and get your hands dirty, solve problems, solve them again, and then solve some more. The more you practice, the more familiar you become with numbers and their relationships. It's also important to grasp the basics before moving on to more complex topics. Think of mathematics as a building. You can't build the upper floors without a sturdy foundation, so make sure you're solid on the basics like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Remember, it's not about memorizing formulas. It's about understanding why and how they work. When you understand the logic behind a formula, you can apply it in different situations and solve a wide range of problems. Don't shy away from asking questions. If you're stuck on a problem or concept, ask for help. Teachers, classmates, online forums. There are many resources available to help you. Lastly, apply mathematics to real-world situations. This not only makes it more interesting, but also helps you understand the practical use of what you're learning. So to summarize, change your mindset, practice regularly, grasp the basics, understand the logic, ask questions, and apply mathematics to the real world. These steps, if applied consistently, can significantly improve your mathematics skills. Remember, mathematics is not a monster to be feared. It's a tool to be used, a tool that can open up a world of opportunities. So go ahead, embrace mathematics. Let it become your friend, your ally, your key to understanding the world around you. Thank you for your time, and remember, the world of mathematics is waiting for you to explore and conquer.